Our story of JJ begins in 2013 when he was just 2 months old. That's when my mom randomly brought him home one day. Me and Rachel never had a dog growing up, so we ended up spending a lot of time with him. After a while, we all realized how energetic he was, so it was best for us to keep him since we were able to play with him more. JJ has a sister named Luna. Luna is my mom's dog. Luna has really wide eyes, especially when someone besides my mom picks her up. Luna and JJ sometimes get along when they're together, and other times Luna just barks at him. But anyways, back to JJ. JJ likes to start his morning by waking us up to take him outside. Rachel usually likes to sleep in, so he wakes her up with some extra kisses. She's stubborn, but he doesn't give up easily. When we are driving, JJ likes to be in the front with us. He's either looking outside or sitting on Rachel's lap, or if we go for long trips, he's in his bed. When we leave him in the van while we take care of things, he likes looking out the window and will bark at anyone that comes nearby. When we get back, he's always excited to see us and acts like it's been forever since he last saw us. JJ likes to help out with chores like doing laundry. He is an expert supervisor. Every once in a while, we like to spoil him by letting him pick out new toys and treats. In the afternoon, we like taking him to explore new places. JJ likes going on hikes, trails, and just about anywhere with good smells. JJ, what did you think of the trail, huh? Was there enough spots for you to sniff at? You peed almost everywhere. Oh, you're just being shy? Okay, good talking to you too. However, his favorite place to play is at the beach. He likes running around in the sand, but sometimes he gets scared of the water. He used to not like getting in the water, but now he does since he's more comfortable swimming. In some aspects, JJ is not like most dogs. For example, when it comes to socializing with other dogs, he could either be really friendly or feisty. Hey, JJ. Oh, you did so good. JJ loves doing tricks for treats. Roll over. Play dead. Up, stay. 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 Good boy. If JJ sees that I'm sweaty, he will try to help by licking me clean. JJ's favorite time of the day is dinner time. He will try to finish his food quickly so he can come back for hours. He loves to beg for popcorn, and sometimes he gets lucky. He likes to play with his toys, especially when we try to steal it from him. JJ gets dirty pretty quick, so we have to give him a bath once in a while, but he hates it. JJ loves rolling around in the ground to get dirty, especially after his bath. At night, he likes hanging out outside and watching the sunset. And at the end of the day, he likes cuddling with us before going to bed. And that's the story of JJ.